Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we are going to talk about the best screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Milomdoi 9-in-1 screen protector. If you're looking for top-notch protection for both the inner and outer screens of your Z Fold 4, along with the camera lenses, this is the product for you. First up, let's dive into what makes this screen protector stand out. The Milomdoi 9-in-1 pack includes not only 3 inner TPU screen protectors, but also 3 front protectors for the outer screen, plus 3 tempered glass camera lens protectors. The variety ensures your entire device is well protected from scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. With a 9H hardness rating, you can trust these protectors to provide reliable defense against any accidental bumps or scratches. One of the most impressive features of the Milomdoi screen protector is its exclusive design and the heat-resistant, anti-folding material used. Unlike many other protectors, this one doesn't bulge or warp after multiple folds, even in extreme weather conditions. This polymeric, heat-resistant nanomaterial is built to last, handling over 200,000 folds without compromising its protective qualities. It's also resistant to scratches and stains, which makes it a practical choice for anyone who uses their Z Fold 4 frequently. When it comes to installation, Milomdoi has made the process incredibly easy. The pack includes 2 sets of installation frames, one for the inner screen and one for the outer screen. Even if you've never installed a screen protector before, these tools ensure a hassle-free installation with no bubbles. The clear and detailed instructions, along with the included QR code that links to an installation video, make it simple for anyone to apply the protectors perfectly. The protectors are ultra-thin, just 0.16 mm for the inner screen, which ensures that the touch sensitivity and high-definition display quality are not compromised. You'll still get the vibrant visuals and smooth touch experience that you love about your Galaxy Z Fold 4. And, if there are any small bubbles or minor scratches post-installation, don't worry. The material is designed to recover naturally within 24 hours, leaving your screen looking flawless. Additionally, the Milomdoi camera lens protectors are also a great touch. These protectors are made from 9H tempered glass and use nano-electrostatic adsorption technology, making installation simple and secure. The glass provides excellent protection against drops and scratches, while maintaining 99.99% optical-grade light transmittance, ensuring that your photos and videos remain crystal clear. The anti-fingerprint coating keeps the lens clean, and the black circle design even supports night shooting. With its durable, no-bubble, high-definition, and ultra-sensitive performance, the Milomdoi 9-in-1 screen protector for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to protect their phone without sacrificing performance or aesthetics. Whether you're concerned about accidental drops, scratches, or even extreme weather conditions, this screen protector offers a comprehensive solution. Plus, the easy installation and recovery from minor imperfections make it a stress-free option for all Z Fold 4 owners. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. Stay protected, and we'll see you in the next one.